best way to start your makeup routine is by making sure your skin is well moisturized. And then I'm going to use this E.L.f. Poreless Putty primer just on the center of my face. I think it leaves a very nice, smooth, hydrated finish. And then I'm going to use the orange primer just underneath my eyes to brighten it. For my foundation, I'm going to use this Kiko Milano full coverage foundation. I recently rediscovered it and it just melts into my skin. I love the finish. It's very long lasting and I love that it's full coverage without looking cakey. Now here's a tip: if you get foundation on your lips, eyebrows or your hair, just use a makeup removing tissue or a towel like I am. For concealer, make sure that you use it this way. It's going to give you such a flawless finish. I take it on the back of my hand first and then dab the sponge. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my translucent powder. I'm going to take it onto a powder puff, dab the excess and then dab it underneath, and it's going to give you such a flawless finish. And if you're going to wear a mask, make sure that you powder the area under the mask really well so that your makeup doesn't move. To contour, I'm going to use this concealer. Again, I've taken it on the back of my hand first, and that's how I like to do it for the cheekbones. And then I went directly into it on my jawline, my nose, and my forehead. These steps aren't really necessary, but it's nice if you want to enhance your features. Now I'm going to use this soft peachy blush. You can use any blush that you have. I love this one because it has a nice little shine to it and adds the right amount of warmth to my face. I'm going to brush the highlighter on top of my cheeks like this, and I'm also taking it on my temple and on the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going to set my makeup using the Smashbox primer water. This is optional again, but I love how it melts everything together. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Pears soap. My brush is from Earth Rhythm and I love using this technique. It just makes my brows look so fluffy. And then I like to use the other end of the brush to brush everything downwards. Okay, this tip is going to change the way you do your eyeliner. I know it's not new, but it really does make a difference. Use a sellotape and then take an angled brush and start by applying the black eyeshadow first as a liner. Then take a darker brown eyeshadow and then go ahead and smudge that black liner that you just made. This is going to give that liner that lived-in look. And lastly, I'm taking this light brown and very gently dusting it all over my crease. Nothing too precise. Then I'm going to take this silvery shade and use the same brush that I used earlier with the brown and kind of just dab it all over the eyelid on top of the eyeliner. Then I'm going to use this liquid eyeshadow and dab it wherever I've applied the eyeshadow. It just lifts the eyeshadow up and it's so easy, and I love that there is no fallout. I'm trying this new kajal from Too Faced. You can use anything that you have and tightline your eyes, especially the inner corners. And taking this darker brown again, I'm going to gently buff it on the lower lash line. And that's it. Once you open the sellotape, you get this crisp, sharp lines that I live for. Just make sure you dab your sponge again, just in case the sellotape has lifted any makeup off. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and then go ahead and apply very generous coats of the Loreal Lash Paradise Mascara, both on my upper and lower lashes. Okay, I love the way the lips turned out. I am going to use this color from Miss Claire and line my lips using it. It's called Rust, and then I'm taking the shade called Thriller, which is like a lighter brown, and apply it all over. And then I am topping it up with this lip plumping gloss from E.L.f. and applying it all over the lips, and that's it. That's the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you guys do end up trying this out, then don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your recreations, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the tips and tricks I shared in this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!